Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we're diving into a crucial yet straightforward type of letter, a declaration letter. These letters are often used to formally state facts or legal ownership, making them especially important in official and legal contexts. In this video, I'll guide you through a sample declaration letter and break down each part step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident crafting your own declaration letter for any purpose. Let's get started. Begin with personal information. At the top of the letter, always include your personal details. This ensures the recipient knows who you are and how to contact you. In our sample, Sarah Thompson lists her full name, address, phone number, email address. For example, Sarah lives at 743 Lakeview Drive, Springfield, Illinois, 62704, and provides her phone number 217-555-7812, along with her email, sarah.thompson@example.com. When writing your letter, double-check this information for accuracy. You don't want to risk delays because of incorrect contact details. Add the date. The next line is the date, and it plays an important role in official letters like this. The date lets the recipient know exactly when the declaration was made, which is essential for documentation purposes. In this sample, the date is written as November 30th, 2024. Be sure to use a formal format when adding the date. It keeps the letter professional and easy to reference later. Address the recipient. Now we move to the recipient's details. If you don't know the specific name of the person or department you're addressing, it's perfectly fine to use "to whom it may concern." In our letter, Sarah uses this formal yet flexible salutation. It's a safe choice when the recipient is unknown or if the letter will be reviewed by multiple people or offices. Add a subject line. Including a subject line is a great way to make the purpose of your letter immediately clear. In this case, Sarah uses Declaration of Legal Ownership. This concise subject line gives the recipient a quick idea of what the letter is about. When you're writing your own declaration letter, keep the subject line short, professional, and relevant to the main topic. Start the declaration statement. The first paragraph of the letter is where you clearly state the declaration. Be straightforward and formal in your wording. Sarah writes, I, Sarah Thompson, residing at 743 Lakeview Drive, Springfield, Illinois, 62704, hereby solemnly declare that I am the lawful owner of the property located at 248 Maplewood Avenue, Springfield, Illinois, 62703. This sentence gets straight to the point, identifying who Sarah is and the property she owns. Notice the use of words like solemnly declare. This adds seriousness and formality to the statement. When writing your declaration letter, make sure to clearly identify yourself and the subject of your declaration, whether it's property, a document, or another legal matter. Provide supporting details. After the declaration, add specific details to back up your statement. These details should provide context and make your claim clear. Sarah continues, This property was purchased by me on July 15th, 2015, under the provisions of the purchase agreement signed with Greenfield Realty LLC. Here, she includes the purchase date and mentions the agreement with Greenfield Realty LLC. Including dates and agreements makes the letter more credible. Next, she writes, The legal title to the property was duly registered under my name with the Sangamon County Recorder's Office on July 30th, 2015. This sentence explains when and where the property ownership was officially recorded. When you're writing your declaration, always include such factual and traceable details as they add authenticity to your statement. Address additional concerns. In the following paragraph, Sarah addresses potential questions about the property's status. She writes, Furthermore, I confirm that the property is free from any liens, encumbrances, or legal disputes as of the date of this declaration. This is an important step. By addressing these points proactively, Sarah reassures the recipient that there are no hidden issues with the property. If your declaration involves something other than property, use this section to address any concerns or potential complications related to the matter. Attach supporting documents. Whenever possible, attach relevant documents to support your declaration. Sarah states, I have attached supporting documents, including the deed of ownership and property tax receipts, for verification purposes. This step is crucial. In any legal or formal matter, documentation is key. Be sure to include copies of any evidence that supports your declaration, such as receipts, agreements, or certificates. And don't forget to mention these attachments in your letter. Make a closing statement. Next, Sarah wraps up her letter with a brief closing statement. This declaration is made in good faith and to the best of my knowledge. This line emphasizes the sincerity of her declaration and assures the recipient that the information provided is accurate. Adding a statement like this is a standard practice in declaration letters, so don't skip it. She continues, should further clarification or evidence be required, I can be reached at the contact information provided above. This is a polite way to invite the recipient to reach out if they need more information. It shows you're open to follow-up, which adds to the letter's professionalism. Sign off professionally. Finally, Sarah signs off with a respectful closing. Sincerely, Sarah Thompson. If you're submitting a hard copy, leave space above your name for your signature. A signature adds a personal touch and makes the document more formal. Under the signature, Sarah lists the attachments to remind the recipient of the supporting documents included with the letter. This is a neat and organized way to ensure everything is accounted for. Now that we've broken down the letter, let's quickly recap the main steps for writing a declaration letter. Start with your personal details and the date. Address the recipient formally, using "to whom it may concern" if needed. Use a clear subject line to state the letter's purpose. Begin with a strong declaration statement that clearly identifies the subject. Add detailed facts and dates to support your declaration. Address any concerns or potential questions about the declaration. Attach supporting documents and mention them in the letter. End with a polite closing statement, followed by your signature and a list of attachments. And that's how you write a declaration letter. These letters may seem intimidating at first, but if you follow this simple structure, you'll be able to write one with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Writing Tutorials. Let me know in the comments what type of letter you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.